Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to be sorting our shapes by listening to the attribute. So on slide 1, it says, which shapes have 3 sides? So I know the only shape that we have learned so far that has 3 sides is a triangle. So I'm going to look at all the shapes at the bottom of this slide and move the ones that are triangles into the white box. So I know that this one is a triangle. This one is a triangle. This one is a triangle. There we go. And that is all the triangles I see. Let's see, this shape has 0 sides. This shape has 4. This one has 6, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So those are all my shapes with 3 sides. Let's look at my next slide. Which shapes have more than 3 sides? So it doesn't say 4, it just says more than 3. So I know I can do a square or a rectangle. And we also learned a little bit about a hexagon. And there are some other shapes here that might have more than 3 sides. We'll count them and see. So let's see. I know this one has more than 3 sides. So we'll move the hexagon up. It has 6 sides. My square has more than 3 sides. I'll move it up. My rectangle has more than 3 sides. My square. Let's look at this purple shape. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 sides. So that shape can definitely go up. It has more than 3. Another rectangle, that one has more than 3. And this strange shape here, let's see how many sides it has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It also has 6 sides. So all of those are the shapes that have more than 3 sides. Let's look at our next slide. Which shapes have less than 5 vertices? Remember, vertices is the same things as corners or points. So less than 5. So a triangle has less than 5. A triangle has 3. So I can move my triangle. A square has 4. That's less than 5. I can move my square. A circle has 0. That's less than 5. I can move my circle. A triangle has 3. I can move my triangle. A hexagon. A hexagon has 6. So we cannot move that one up. 6 is more than 5. Rectangle. We can move that one up. Square. Triangle. There's this odd shape again. Let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is more than 5. I cannot put that one in my box. Another rectangle. And this odd shape again has 6. So those 3 shapes have more than 5. So they cannot go in my box. Let's look at our next one. Which shapes do not have straight sides or straight lines? I only have one shape that does not have a straight side. That would be my circle. So I'm going to move my circle up into my box. A triangle has straight lines, a square, triangle, a hexagon, rectangle, square, triangle. This shape, it has straight lines, rectangle, and this shape has straight lines. So the only one that does not have straight sides is my circle. Let's look at our next slide. Which shapes have 4 vertices? So I know 2 of my shapes do. My squares and my rectangles. So I'm going to move all of my squares and rectangles to the box. They all have 4 vertices. My other shapes down below have more or less than 4, so they will not work. So that is how we use